Welcome to the Specialized Manufacturing Marketing Benchmarks for 2026, powered by CUFinder. This report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for specialized manufacturing professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 48.5%, desktop at 56.4%, and tablet at 56.4%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 16 minutes with 3.8 pages per session. The bounce rate averages 54.5%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives, 48.5% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 18% and social contributes 2.8%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $6.85. Facebook ads cost NA per click. The average cost per acquisition is $6.85. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 2.6%. Retention metrics show a 78% customer retention rate. On social media, TikTok leads at 0% engagement, Instagram follows at 0%, LinkedIn is at 0%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 23.5%. Click-through rate is 3.4%. Key takeaways for specialized manufacturing. Mobile traffic at 48.5% makes mobile first essential. TikTok leads social engagement at 0%. Email open rates of 23.5% show strong audience engagement. And organic search drives 48.5% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Specialized Manufacturing Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CUFinder at CUFinder.io.